Okay guys, so let me show you what I've got from the grocery store. So the first thing I saw and I thought it was like pretty cool, it's this tea made out of lemon, and it comes like in these sticks here, as you can see. So when you open that up, and here you have these tea sticks, and you actually you know, just put some water in your mug, and then you get this plastic off and you just put the stick into your mug, and yeah, you have your tea. I've tried something similar at a restaurant where I was, and I thought it was like a really cool idea. So the next thing I've got is a carpet cleaner. I just ran out and got one of these. The next thing is salad to go. I like eating that stuff, you know, for when I'm like super lazy to cook. And I mean, I pretty much eat salad like every day. I'm a vegetarian, so I don't have like many options. One has this tomato inside, some cheese, then you have your green salad, and it comes with a dressing, which is a yogurt dressing with some herbs in it, and it tastes really good. And I do have some tuna, and I think I just drop that into my salad, and yeah, it's going to be like a bon appetit for me. So the next thing that I'm obsessed now, especially for the holidays, it's this coffee from Jacobs. It's a latte macchiato one with ginger taste, as you can see, and it is for this Tassimo. I think it's pronounced Tassimo, I'm not sure. Either way, for this coffee machine from Bosch, and it tastes pretty good. So the next thing I've got are these coconut cookies, and that is really cool because it comes like this in this package. And what you do, it's just to cut the pieces as you want, and then you just put them in the oven, and you have cookies, which is pretty cool. And that I want to show you tomorrow. So tomorrow we will be baking these cookies, so that is nice. The next thing I have are some lemons, because tomorrow I want to cook some rice, and I like my rice to eat it with lots and lots of lemon in it. The next thing I have, it's some milk for my cats. I do have a few bottles left, but I don't know, I just thought I'd buy some more. So the next thing I have, it's this fruit bread or fruit loaf. I am obsessed with this, and the only time that I get to eat something like that, it's on Christmas. Other than that, I have to make it myself, and I'm kind of lazy, so I don't do that. But I'm super excited that this time of year has come, and I am able to eat like all these fatty things. And the next thing I have are these Christmassy balls with you know, like with these little bells in it. I'm not going to shake that too much because my cats are sleeping right now, and it is better when they are sleeping so they won't destroy the house. And that is my mobile phone, so I'm gonna I'll be right back. So I'm back. That was my mom. So the next thing I've got, it's this cake. I really like eating that kind of cake, and this one was pretty cheap. I mean, I do know they can be like super expensive, and this one was about I think €2 and 60 cents or something like that, and I believe that will be like $4, I think. I'm not very sure. And the last thing I've got, it's this chocolate Santa. It's pretty big. And that one I've got from my dad. He's like a big fan of, you know, chocolate Santa and stuff like that, so I think he's going to be like pretty happy this year. Okay, so these are the stuff that I've got from the grocery store. So now I will show you what it is in the advent calendar for the second day of this Vlogmas, and yeah, so let's do that. So now you know what it's time for, and it is advent calendar time. So as always, I will start with Essie, and we are going to open door number 2, and it is here. So here we are going to open that, and we get, it's a clear nail polish. This is always useful. I like to apply something like that after I applied like a colorful nail polish, and that came at the right moment, so that is not a full size. So next in line we have the advent calendar from Maybelline, and we will be opening door number 2, and it's this one here, and it seems to be quite big, but I think it's maybe, I don't know, lip liner, maybe again a mascara, and it is, oh, it's actually a lip balm, and this one it's called Cherry Me, and I actually have one the same. It must be somewhere around here. Yes, so you see, I do have one, and it smells like cherries, and I always like to use that, you know, when I am doing like no makeup look, because it has like this natural pink cherry color, and it's very beautiful, and it also smells like cherries, and that is great. So that one I'm not going to be opening, because a lot of the products that I will be getting in these advent calendars as well, for example now this nail polish and maybe some other nail polishes that I will be getting, I will do like a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And now I will open my third advent calendar, and that is for my cats. And here again we are at door number 2, which is here, and what do we have here? It is again some biscuits, and we have these ones to be against, you know, this I don't know how it's called now. I don't really know how it's called, you know, when they are formed like this hairball in their stomach. Hairball? It's called hairball, I think. So this one's supposed to be against that. So they already ate, so I'm not going to be giving them that. I will give them maybe tomorrow with whatever comes with door number 3. So yes, you guys, this is for today's video. Tomorrow we will be baking some cookies, and I do hope you liked today's video. I know it was short, but as I said, my life is boring. Not too much to do around, especially not here in Germany, you know, because at 5 o'clock when I'm coming out from work, it's not so much to do around here. And I'm living also in a small town, and it's like a dead land here. So yeah, not so many options. So anyways, I do hope though that you liked this video and that you will stick around, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.